Hi guys, hey, I have the most exciting video ever. This is a FABFITFUN unboxing, and they actually reached out to me and sent this box to me for free. I am beyond pumped about this. I've never got a FABFITFUN box. You guys know I'm very picky with subscription services and boxes because I just feel like when you put money out, you want to kind of know what you're getting, so it can be a big risk. Now, one of the reasons I agreed to work with FABFITFUN when they reached out to me is because I've seen so many other people work with them and they are so happy with them being honest. For instance, Jen Love's reviews, she's the one who really made me want to say yes to this because she always does a FABFITFUN unboxing and they want her to be honest, and she is honest, and she really says if she thinks it's worth the price or not. Now, I'm sure you guys know all about FABFITFUN, but they are a seasonal subscription service for beauty, lifestyle, fashion items. It's $49.99 per season, but with my coupon code, that's right, I have FABFITFUN coupon code, what? You can get $10 off your first box. I don't get commission or anything like that. It's just, I think, so they can know if sending it to me for free is worth it to them or not. Like, what? Like, this is like a brand where like famous people get FABFITFUN, guys. Like, this is like people from The Bachelor and The Bachelorette get FABFITFUN and do videos for it. Like, well, I'm sorry. What level did I just hit? But let's actually get into it. This is the spring box. So excited. But I'm unboxing it. Like, this is not a review. This is like unboxing first impressions. It's pretty heavy. It just got here like 10 minutes ago. Here's the pretty box as butterflies all over it. Super pretty. Kind of reminds me of, what is it, Kylie Jenner had like a butterfly thing for her daughter, right? Am I making that up? I do see some of these things, which I'm not too happy about. It's such a waste of paper, but we'll see how many are actually in there. Now, FABFITFUN, one thing I do have to say is I know that they do work with charities every quarter, so I think that's great. They also like to work with women-run brands and things like that, but I do wish all of their items were cruelty-free. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. I do wish they were. That would be amazing. Okay, so first, we see Gina Rodriguez on the cover of the magazine. People say that this magazine tells you about what charity they're working with. I don't want to look through it because it's going to spoil the surprise, but it also gives you information about the products you're getting. You also get 9 free meals from HelloFresh. That's cool. Oh, a kind of like at-home teeth straightening discount, and a $45 credit for Bright Cellars, which is a wine company. I don't drink, so that's not for me, but I see something. Should I take that first thing out? So I see, oh, there's a lot of these little things. It's going to be a nightmare to recycle. I don't like this. They could do better. I think they should know better. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's an umbrella. A Shoshana umbrella. Okay. Well, that's nice. You could always use another umbrella. I think I have one in my car, but I could use one like in the house. But that's cute. It comes with a whole little case and everything. Oh, look at that. Look, it's like navy with, what, yellow, kind of yellow flowers on it. Oh, that's cute. And it's a nice, like, handle on here too. Auto open umbrella with a ruffle. So far so good. I'm excited about that. Okay. What's this? Ciate Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. Okay, well, I'm not gonna open that. I'm assuming it's a black shade because I don't wear liquid liner. You guys can tell right now I'm not even wearing makeup. I wear makeup like once a week, so I'm not gonna use that. I'll maybe give it away. But that's nice. Like, for people who want liquid liner, that's nice. I think I did see someone unbox this and they said that the tip was more firm, so you have a lot of control. So that's nice, and it's full size, like everything in here. Also see something else that I don't like. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara, the one in that gold too. I actually have a full review on this on my channel. I will link that below. This did not work out for me, and a lot of people really love this mascara. The one girl I saw unbox her box already got this and she was super excited about it. She said it's one of her all-time favorites. So again, I will probably give this away, but this is already like $25, I think, so that's already like more than half of the box if you buy it with the $10 off. I didn't even open the tissue paper because I didn't want to see what was underneath it. Okay, there's something big here. What's this? Well, caravan well traveled. It's a rug. What? It's a rug? That's super cool. It looks like it's a black and white rug. That's actually really cool. I've been wanting a rug for underneath my chair, my spinny chair at the desk. So that's really cool. It's area rug 21 by 34. That's probably perfect size, actually. It's not the softest rug in the world. It definitely feels kind of like rough, but that is fine because it's not really for my feet. It's for the floor. Oh, that's cool. So black and white, not necessarily matching my bright color scheme, but I totally will use this. I'm really happy to have it. So far, I'm impressed. Even though it's just 2 items I'm not going to use, The two items, like, already, these two I'm super happy with. This, okay, I had to see this. Deep, I'm so excited about this, guys. This is from This Works. I've never had anything from them because they are kind of expensive. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. I've wanted to try some of this brand for so long. I don't know how good it is for you. I don't even know if they're cruelty free. I know it has a lot of essential oils in it. I want to make sure it doesn't have rose because I am allergic. It's anti-aging super blend of shea butter, some other things I can't pronounce, lavender, vetiver, and chamomile. Beeswax. Oh no, I'm allergic to beeswax. I'm gonna try it anyway and we'll see what happens. That smells so good. And the lavender I'm picking up on more than anything else. I love the smell of lavender. It's one of my favorite smells. This actually kind of smells like my lavender chamomile tea that I drink in the evening. I would love to drink that tea, put the solution on, and get into my bed. Ooh. That's really nice. It's kind of strong. If you don't like the smell of lavender or chamomile, you won't like it, but I love it. And it's really nice. It like absorbs really fast. I don't feel greasy, but I do feel like amazingly baby soft. I like that. That's totally something I'm gonna be using. And I guess now that I put it on, we'll see if my hands break out into hives by the end of this video. Guys, I'm so impressed. Oh my god. Okay. Very, very, very tiny. This is Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. It's a lip balm. Again, I'm allergic to beeswax, and beeswax is in a lot of lip balms, so let's see what the ingredients are. You don't see beeswax. It says pH matching technology, universally flattering cherry pink shade, can be used on lips and cheeks, nourishes lips, and has a pineapple flavor. It's a super cute little box. I'm gonna put it on right now because the lip balm I put on before is kind of wearing off. Winky Lux, that's a brand I've heard of. I feel like I'm familiar with that, right? How cute. Oh my god, is this one of the ones with the flower in it? Don't even tell me. Is that? No. It looks like this. It has like stripes on it. Kind of a very light pineapple smell. It's not very strong, but I'm gonna get my camera out to see what I'm doing. I definitely see pink. Is it a pretty pink or is it a Barbie pink that doesn't look good on me, especially when I'm wearing no other makeup? It's making my teeth look yellow. It's not my favorite. I see something white. What's this? Stone Cold Fox tea towels. Well, that's nice. They are blue and white. My kitchen is green, unfortunately, but I could totally find another use for these. So that's nice. So happy to have that. Definitely not something I needed, but definitely happy to have it. I think this might be the last item, but this is something I saw in someone else's unboxing and I was super excited about. This is a weighted sleep mask. Now, something you guys know, I deal with insomnia a lot. Now, I have this mask. I got it for free from Lively. It's just very simple, kind of like silky mask, nothing crazy. I've been using it and it really helps, especially when I wake up around 5, 6 in the morning because the garbage truck comes, things like that, and a little bit of sun is shining through, and using something like that really blocks out the light and helps me get back to sleep. But a weighted mask is cool because I would never want a weighted blanket because I feel like I'm very claustrophobic and I wouldn't like that. But a weighted mask, it's not like crushing this area, you know? So that's super duper cool. Oh my god. Let's open it. I want to see. Yeah, it feels like a beanbag chair. And it is, what's that word? Velcro, so you can adjust it to your head shape. I just made it too big for my head. I have a very small head. I mean, do I look cute, guys? Not that it matters because I'd be sleeping. It's not that heavy, but it definitely feels like you're maybe wearing like a football helmet. Like that's the weight. Oh, I'm excited about that. Why does it smell good? Maybe that's just my hand. It is. The inside of the box too is super cute though. Oh, look how pretty. It's so pretty. So I'm super impressed. My hand has not broken out in any kind of hives or redness. Usually when I use something I'm allergic to, it shows up immediately. So that is good news. I know there was an option, I think, to get like, I'm gonna look in the book, but there's an option to get something else that I was kind of excited about too. But I'm happy with the rug. Totally. I'm so happy with this lotion and the eye mask. Probably my favorite things, the lotion, the eye mask, and the rug. Like I said, guys, I watch people's unboxings of this every season. Now, I didn't choose anything. They sent this to me completely, like, blind. But I'm really happy with the items I got. I think I would have been happy with some of the other things as well. Like, this season, I think, is one of the best ones that I've seen recently. So I'm really happy this is the time they reached out to me. I do hope they want me to work with them again in the summer. I'm super impressed. I totally think that this is worth the $49.99 price tag. and especially the $39.99 price tag with the coupon code. So like I'm beyond happy with everything here. I'm super grateful for FabFitFun for wanting to work with me and sending this to me for free. Like I said, check out the discount code, check out other people's videos, because I feel like that's what made me want to say yes to them, really, was watching other people's videos, and also just the fact that FabFitFun wants you to be honest. Like they even said when they emailed me, like they want an honest review. And I appreciate that, because there's so many brands out there that don't want that. Let me know if you guys like that I unbox this. Let me know if you guys want me to do more FabFitFun unboxings and continue to work with them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out FabFitFun and use that coupon code, because if I could use it, I would. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you next time.